So I'm Nikki Leopold. I'm one of the consultant geriatricians and general medical consultants here in Singleton Hospital in Swansea Bay Health Board. I'm particularly interested in teaching and training. So if I start with the benefits of Wales in terms of teaching and training, I sit on the STC for the Welsh Geriatrics trainees, and I'm Deputy TPD, and I look after all the less than full-time trainees. Wales has been, since many years since they've been running the survey, consistently comes out as the top family-friendly deanery, which is really, really good for people like myself who are teaching the registrars coming through the training programme. We've got a very, very good record of training registrars. We get really, really good feedback across the piece about them. They do very, very well in their exams. They perform well at ARCP, and we have good retention of them at the end of their training. At a national level, it's quite an exciting place to work, and there's plenty of opportunities should you choose to become an educational supervisor. It's very, very well supported by the deanery, which is now called HEIW. That's very, very good at giving you support and teaching and training as an educational supervisor. So my day-to-day life working here in Singleton, if you are interested in teaching and training, we are the main site as we are co-located with the university. So the building I'm standing in here, which is our clinical skills lab, the students will literally just pop over the road from the university if they need to use this, and we're less than 5 minutes away from campus, which is a really, I think, fairly unique in terms of the access of the students to us in the clinical setting, and often means that they might come and join us for an on-call in the evening, even if they're not on a clinical block. We have frailty students, so for the last few years we've had a specific frailty block which has been very, very well received, and we're just starting to see now interest in teaching and training with the doctors coming out. I think that the benefit of having the frailty block is that they are inspired to do geriatric medicine from an undergraduate level, and we're now starting to see doctors in the junior part of their training that we already know, already looking to apply within our geriatric training programme, which is really, really exciting. On top of that, we are one of the few universities in the UK that have got a physician's associate programme, and that's been something that myself and a lot of my colleagues will teach on. Again, they do some specific frailty work. They will also join us for clinical attachments, and our ward will often have both medical students and physicians associates with their different learning needs being supported. And after that, we have quite a good record of employing people, and we're looking to expand that aspect of the workforce to help training across the piece. I think that there's loads of really good opportunities, both within the university setting, but also within the health board and within Wales Deanery if you do want to further your career with lots and lots of education. We're really encouraging, and many of our consultant workforce will have job plan time to deliver teaching and training. And for those of you who are outside of Wales, we have quite a unique job planning. The Welsh consultant contract is definitely better than the English consultant contract in terms of SPA to DCC split. A standard start would be 7 DCC to a 3 SPA split. And if you are showing really good SPA type activity, you will often be able to maintain the 3 SPAs, which is really, really good if you have special interests in things, particularly around teaching and training. I think that is something that, again, is fairly unique to the area in which we work. I myself work less than full time, so I work 4 days a week on an 8.5 PA contract. And that gives some flexibility, having myself trained less than full time with quite a young family, and myself, my husband, who's also a consultant. And I know that's something that's quite important for many consultants, particularly as they come out of training at the end of registrar, is that thing around work-life balance. But not only that, not really work-life, but just about managing to do both things, which is being a parent and working. And certainly I found the health board very supportive of that in the way that they look after us.